Hello guys, I'm Jerry, welcome to Jerry. Today we're going to see how you can buy and sell Cardano on Revolut. You can download Revolut through my personal link on description. You can find right down below. So right here we are in the Revolut app. We search for the cryptocurrencies with the fourth field says crypto. And from there we go see all and go check the Cardano. You can search it up on the right, or you can just scroll down to find it. Here is Cardano ADA, where you can press the buy button in order to buy or in order to sell the cryptocurrency. Right now I pressed buy in order to see all the information about Cardano. This is an example. I have already in €4. You can buy fractions of every crypto and every stock on Revolut. So right now, if you can see right here, I pressed buy, one ADA, one Cardano, and here it is. We have bought 4.25 Cardano, which I did in my holdings around 3.5 euros. So right now you can either vault it or you can disable the auto run. There is an auto run of 1.556 APY. So here's how you can vault and how you can do the auto earn and earn rate invest. If you're going to sell it, you do right the same thing. You press on holdings on Cardano, you press sell, and you put all the amount you want to sell. That's all, guys.